Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys have already seen what we are doing today, let's get started. Starting off with moisturizing my face with the Aaranya Vedic Skin Lightening Cream, basically a moisturizer. Then I've primed my face and filled my brows. Next I'm taking this Stay Quirky concealer, stick concealer in the shade from that Reunion, and priming my eyelids, and I'm using a translucent powder to set my eyelids here. Starting off with the eyeshadow with a cream shade and a brown shade as the transition shades, blending both of these shades well. You can't really see these shades, but yeah, these are the transition shades. After this, I'm taking the pink eyeshadow from the same Beauty Glazed eyeshadow palette, applying this in my crease and above the crease, blending all of this really well with a fluffy blending brush. Then I'm taking this brick brown shade and the purple shade, mixing both of these shades and applying it in my crease and above my crease and on the outer corners of my eyelids, blending all three shades really well. Take your time and blend. After this, I am using the purple shade with a flat brush to apply just on the outer corners of my eyes and blending all of the shades well. Here I'm just packing the purple eyeshadow. After this, I'm taking the brown shade from the nicka eyeshadow palette to deepen up the outer corners of my eyes. Along with this brown shade, I am taking a black shade from this Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette, again to deepen up the outer corners of my eyes and my crease. Blend all these really well, and then I'm taking this purple eyeshadow from the same nicka eyeshadow palette, again blending all the browns, blacks and purples really well. Then I'm cutting my crease with the flat brush, and here I'm using beige concealer in the shade golden, but then again I went with another concealer, applying it on the back of my hands, basically warming up the product, and then taking a flat brush to apply it on my eyelids and cutting my crease. Once I'm done with that, I'm taking this pinkish orange shade and applying it directly on the concealer which we used to cut the crease. Here I haven't set the concealer with any powder, I've directly gone with the eyeshadow. This helps the eyeshadow to pop up really well. And take your time and apply the eyeshadow, make sure you're happy with how it looks. And once I'm done with that, I'm blending the outer corners of my lids, basically blending both of the eyeshadows, making sure there are no harsh lines. After this, I'm taking the glitter eyeliner in the shade Silver. This is the Hillary Roda eyeliners. I'll leave the link in the description box below. You can get this from Amazon. And you guys can see I'm just applying this on the crease. That's basically where we cut the crease. After that, I'm highlighting my brow bones with the NYB thick highlighter. Then I'm using this Faces Canada foundations, mixing these two foundations in the shade Natural and Beige. This is a very light to medium coverage foundation, but again you can use 2 to 3 layers to get that full coverage. And once I'm done with the foundation, I'm using the NYB concealer, stick concealer in the shade Golden, again to conceal my eyelids. And then I went with the Stay Quirky concealer as well. I'll leave the shade of these in the description box. Then I'm using this NYB contour stick, applying it first on the back of my hand to warm up the product. Then I'm taking an angled brush and then contouring my face. This basically gives a soft contour look than a harsh contour. And once I'm done with the blending of my contour, I'm using again the NYB blush stick and then setting my eyelids and highlighting. Here I'm using the Wet n Wild highlighter. This is a very soft and subtle highlighter, and then on top of that I'm going with the Swiss Beauty highlighter For my lips, I'm using the NYB lip crayon in the shade Nude Say No No, then lining my lower waterline with the white liner, and that's it. We are done with the look. If you guys liked it, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.